Look, I'll videotape you. Look at you. You're beautiful. Yeah, you come with me? Are you coming with me? Come on then. Come on, that's okay. What? Don't, what? Be nice. You're gonna, it's okay. I gotta go this way. You let me by. You gotta let me by to do the mail. Silly. Atta boy, go down there for a while. Atta boy. Hey, there he goes. Bye. Hey, here he comes again. Careful. What? You can't go with me. Okay, go home. You gotta go home. Man, you gotta go home. You gonna go home? Huh? Well, you want to come with me, don't you? You can't come with me. No. You can't come with me. Huh? What? You hungry? What's wrong? Yeah? Huh? Hey, little buddy. What's that? Is that the noise you make? You silly? Okay, let's go. I'll put the mail bag on you. Huh? You want to put the bag on you? You do this? I'll take a break. That'll be a good idea. Huh? Come on then. Come on. Had a little friend. Huh? Let's go. Come on. And here we go. Huh? Where's my buddy? Oh, it's a good boy. Huh? You want to come home and be a pet? Huh? Wonder how the cat would like you. Huh? Yeah. You and Max. Huh?